Nne Mmụọ, Mother of Spirits, Part 2. Until one night, he asked her a question. Why help me? What do you want in return? She paused. Then smiled, a smile unseen, but felt like cold breath on skin. Every gift is borrowed, not given, she said. And debt must be paid. Obina's chest tightened. How? You will know, she said. When the wind forgets to blow and the trees bow without breeze, then I will come for my due. Obina stopped visiting her. He prayed, poured libations, confessed to the elders. But blessings kept coming. His fame grew. He married again. Life danced. Then one night, as he sat with his new wife, the wind died. Not a leaf stirred. The fire flickered without cause. And from the compound gate came the faint jingling of anklets. Silent. Slow. Sure. Who is that? His wife whispered. Obina stood. Stay inside. Lock the door. Don't speak. He stepped out, and the air grew heavy, like cloth soaked in rain. There she was. Nne Mmụọ, he said, trembling. She raised her hand. You owe. He fell to his knees. Take anything. My cows. My house. Take me. She tilted her head. I did not come for things. I came for the one you love most. No, he cried. Take me instead. But it was not his voice she answered. A child's voice laughed behind her veil. Papa, the voice said. I've missed you. And with that, she vanished into wind that returned with a wail. Obina's house remained. His riches too. But no one saw his wife again. Some say she left him. Others say she became like Nne Mmụọ, neither dead nor living. But on certain nights in Abodo Akoko, when the moon is red and the air refuses to move, villagers shut their doors. For in the distance, they hear anklets on dust and a lullaby that no mother alive ever sang.